The no-bake Raffaello cake that drove the internet crazy. Place a layer of ladyfingers in the springform pan. Put starch in the saucepan. Add sugar. Vanilla sugar. Crack a few eggs. Stirring continuously, gradually pour in the milk. Cook the cream, stirring continuously, until it thickens. Add cream cheese to the cooled pastry cream. Mix the cream until smooth. Add coconut flakes and mix well with a spatula. Put the cream over the ladyfingers. Spread into an even layer over the entire surface. Cover the cream layer with ladyfingers and refrigerate the pan for 2 hours. Put chocolate in the glass. Fill the chesva with water and ground coffee. Boil the coffee in the usual way. Pour the coffee into the glass with chocolate. Stir until the chocolate melts. Put dark chocolate in the dispenser. Pour in warm milk. Mix until the chocolate melts. Pour the milk with chocolate into the glass. Whip the cream until it becomes firm. Fill the glass with whipped cream. Sprinkle with cocoa. Take the cake out of the refrigerator. Melt the white chocolate with vegetable oil in the microwave. Pour the melted white chocolate into the pastry bag. Decorate the cake with white chocolate glaze and chill for 10 minutes. Anyone can call themselves a pastry chef after making this cake with a Raffaello flavor. The dessert will be especially appreciated by those who love desserts with coconut flakes.